Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into a detailed guide on setting up Trello's card linking and referencing, a powerful feature that will help you keep track of related tasks across different boards. First things first, open up Trello and navigate to the board where you want to link cards. This might be your main project board or an individual team member's board. The reason we do this is because Trello card links work on a board-by-board basis. This means that for each board, you will need to set up the links separately. Now that we're on the right board, let's move on to creating a new card. Click on the plus Add Another Card option and type in the title of your card. After you've done that, open the card by clicking on it. This will bring up the card's detailed view. In this view, you'll find a Link Cards button on the right-hand side. Clicking on this button will open a new window. Here, you can search for the card you want to link to. Type in the name of the card and select it from the drop-down menu that appears. Once you've selected the card, click on the Link button. This helps us because it allows us to connect related tasks, making it easier to navigate between them and keep track of progress. Now, let's talk about the Referenced By section. You'll notice this underneath the linked card. It displays all the cards that have linked to the current card. This is crucial because it gives you an overview of all the tasks associated with this card. If you click on any of the cards listed here, it will take you directly to that card, saving you from having to search for it manually. Finally, let's cover the process of removing linked cards. To do this, simply hover over the linked card and click on the Unlink button that appears. This is an important step to know, especially if a task gets completed or becomes irrelevant to the current card. And there you have it. You've just learned how to set up card linking and referencing in Trello. Remember, this feature is all about staying organized and keeping track of related tasks, so make sure to use it to its full potential. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.